Oh my gosh, guys, as you can see, I got Fortnite on my phone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Fortnite on your iPhone or your Android completely for free. This is the newest season of Fortnite, guys, even though it's been removed from the App Store and the Play Store. So as you can see right here, I'm actually able to go ahead and play. We got the lobby here. I'm going to show you guys now on my iPhone. You can see the Fortnite app. And if I open it up, you can see this is actually the newest season of Fortnite, so it's really, really cool. And guys, I can't believe this actually works, but it does. You can literally go ahead and play it. It's completely free. And I'm just going to show you guys right here. As you can see, we got all the new characters in the lobby there. And this is just really, really cool that you can actually go ahead and play this completely for free. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it. It's super insane. You can see I can go over here to the emotes, whatever I want. This is just so, so cool, and I can't believe it works. So guys, follow along, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So basically, if you're on iPhone, go to Settings. And once you're in there, what you want to do, guys, is just go down to where it says battery and make sure low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. So once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go up to the general section, find this option called background app refresh, and make sure this is on. It's really important. You can have it on Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Just make sure it's on and you're good to go. So once you've done that, you're pretty much all set, guys. All you have to do now is go ahead and go down to the App Store section and just make sure automatic downloads is on. This should be on by default, but if it's off, turn it on. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and go to this amazing site to download it. So the website is called appsinject.net. It has a ton of amazing mods for apps and games. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in for you guys, appsinject.net. And this site is just really cool. So once you're on the site, there's a few different ways you can go ahead and find apps, but I like to use the search bar because it's quick and easy. But if you want, you can also scroll around. I mean, they have so many modded apps and games, guys. It's crazy. So if you ever want something for free or a plus app, you can go ahead and probably find it on here. So what I'm going to do is just go up to the search bar and type in Fortnite. And you can see it pops right up, full game for iOS and Android. So in order to download it, all you have to do is go ahead and press on it. And then press the button that says Start Injection, and it's going to start downloading straight onto your device. It's going to show you this progress bar. And you just want to wait until this reaches the end. Now, I'm not going to go through the download since I already have this on my device, but obviously you guys want to wait until it reaches the end. And it should start to download it as long as you have a decent internet connection. It usually doesn't take that long, so it's really insane, guys, and I can't believe this actually works. I'm able to play it even though it's been removed from the store. So this works on iPhone and Android. It's super insane, so definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out with this crazy method. I'm just going to show you guys one more time. You can see, so super, super cool. This is just amazing. So definitely go ahead, share it, get the word out about this method. Super, super cool. And I can't believe it actually works, guys. You can go ahead and play Fortnite in the newest season. So I'm going to be seeing you guys later, and peace out.